Hello, we are here in Bauma showing some news like this new generation of screening buckets covering excavator sizes from 1.5 to 10 ton, so mini and midi excavators. This system is made to screen the soil from bricks, gravels, little stones, and basing on how much light or heavy is the material to be screened, we choose the steel tools or the star tools. This kind of system is very useful, in particular when the topsoil is a little bit damp or wet. Then our special and patented tool system allows you to replace each tool or all the rotor very quickly and very easily.